Welcome back everyone. Today I'm going to unbox the Mous Limitless 2.0 protective case. This case isn't the cheapest around. It costs about £45 or $50 US. So all mouse protective cases come with a lifetime warranty. On top of that you get a free screen protector. The version I'll be unboxing today is the walnut version for iPhone SE2. Okay, let's go ahead and peel the sticker off. Comes in a simple pull tab box. Let's go ahead and pull it out. Alright, so the case looks way better than what we saw online. It's got a sort of matte finish, a real wood floor look. Okay, let's see what else we get in the box. So first we're greeted with a card. It just tells you, I think, about the screen protector and how important it may be for your phone. So underneath this cardboard we should have the screen protector wallet. Okay, so let's go ahead and see what's inside. Okay, instruction manual on how to put the screen protector on, some wipes and stickers for the screen protector, and the screen protector itself. By the way, this is free with the case, but for 45 quid I think they really did charge for it, if you know what I mean. It's not really free. Okay, so let's look into the case a little bit more. First thing different from other cases, I can see it's got a place for the SIM ejector tool so you can carry it with you. On top of that, it's got a slot for a little SIM card so you can put a SIM card and carry that with you, just in case you have two SIMs or anything like that. I really like the wood effect. It's proper wood. When you touch it, it feels like proper wood, nothing fake or them plastic ones they make sometimes. This looks very legit, feels legit as well. It's not that easy to put the cover on, I have to use a bit more force. You can be sure the case will hold the phone very tightly, so if there is a drop, it's not going to come out or anything like that. Okay, so that's it for today. I've done a full review of this case, so please check my other videos, and as always, please like and subscribe. Check this.